Welcome back, students. In this session I'm going to teach you how to do superfast tables of 12. So we have already learned superfast tables of 11, so let me now teach you superfast tables of 12. So superfast tables of 12, so the first rule which you have to remember is very simple. So just remember this. So when you have 12, so remember this 2. So this rule will be twice the multiplier. So just remember this. The rule is twice the multiplier because 2 is there. So let me show you. See, so 12 ones will be 1, so there is no need of putting any rule for this. It is very easy. Now 12 twos are, what you do is you take 2, then put twice of this 2. That is, how much is that? That will be 4. If you multiply this by 2, you will get 4. Now let me take 12 into 3. So place the multiplier, take twice of this. So how much will it be? 6. Let us take 12 into 4. So how much will this be? Take 4, twice of this will be 8, 48. So similarly, let me now go to the next one. 12 fives are, so place this 5 multiplier and then multiply by 2. How much will you get? 1 0. So this 1 will get carried here. So when you carry this, you will get 1 plus 5, that will be 6 0, because 1 will get carried here and then it will give you 6 0. Now 12 6 are, so write 6, then again multiply by 2, you will get 1 2. So 1 will get carried, so 72. You can also write like this, students. If you get confused, you can also write 1 carry like this. So this will be 2 7, very easy. So let me now show you that type of carrying. 7, so write 7 here, so twice that will be 14, so 4 1, so that will be 84. So you can also do like this. Now 12 9, so write 9, twice that will be how much? 18, so write 18 108. So 12 tens are, you don't have to do anything, it is 120. Very easy. So you don't have to do any big work on that. So let me now, student, give you some techniques to do tables of 12 using some patterns. Okay, so let me now show you a beautiful pattern now. So what I'm going to do is, you write down, students. So what you do is, you take, so start with 2 4. So let me write, wait just a minute. So yeah, so let me now start with doing the patterns method for tables of 12, students. So what you can do is, so you can take 2 4 6 8 0. So you can notice this pattern. So again you repeat this pattern again. So let me now show you with another color. 2 4 6 8 0. So write this thing. So you can see this 2 4 6 8 0, that is tables of 2. You just taking the last digit. Like for example, tables of 2 is 2 4 6 8 10. So 10 you are leaving 1. So that's it. So once you do this, what you do is, now you take simple this thing. So start with 1 2 3 4. So you got 1, so you leave out 5 here. Okay, leave out 5 6 7 8 9 10. So leave out 11 here. Both odd numbers will leave out. Okay, and then 12. So just leave out 5 and 12. So what you get is 12 24 36 48 60 72 84 96 108 120. This is nothing but tables of 12. So this is called the pattern method for finding tables of 12. It's very easy. So I'll just repeat it again for you so that you can grasp it again. So if you have missed it, so first what you will do, students, write down 2 4 6 8 0, then 2 4 6 8 0. Let me choose one more color so that it becomes very easy for you. Now what you do is, You have to leave out 5 and 11, that's all. Leave out 5 and 11, that's all. So write all the numbers leaving out 5 and 11. So what will you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is not there, 12. So that's all. This is called tables of 11 using 5 and leaving 5 and 11. So very easily you will get tables of 12. So this is tables of 12. So with that, student, you can now practice in your notebook. It's a very easy technique. Thank you, students.